Welcome to the top best. The Best Upholstery Shampooer is probably one of the most effective ways to keep your furniture looking its best. These handy machines are designed to deep clean upholstery, removing dirt, stains, and odors that regular vacuuming just can't handle. Whether you're dealing with pet messes, spills, or general wear and tear, an upholstery shampooer can help restore your furniture to its former glory, extending its lifespan and improving your home's overall cleanliness. Number 5. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner 1400B. With every purchase, this product helps save homeless pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help animals. This cleaner has powerful suction. It can remove tough pet spots and stains from carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and more. The design is portable and versatile. You can easily clean multiple surfaces throughout the home with it. It has a large tank capacity. The 48 ounces tank means you can clean more between refills. Use spot and stain formula with Febreze Freshness. It helps tackle tough stains and odors. What we like. This cleaner boasts powerful suction, making it ideal for tackling tough pet stains and embedded dirt. Its portable design allows you to easily clean multiple surfaces throughout your home. If you have pets and need a versatile cleaner for various surfaces, you should consider this one. What people say. The machine is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The suction is powerful and the upholstery dried quickly. It has a long hose and cord, which is convenient. Number 4. Bissell Little Green Pro Portable Cleaner 3194. This portable cleaner is our most powerful spot and stain cleaner. It works on carpet, stairs, upholstery, and even auto interiors. It is designed to give you the best cleaning results. This cleaner combines superior suction, scrubbing action, and a professional cleaning formula. It is perfect for removing tough pet stains and embedded dirt. You will be amazed by the results. This powerful, portable deep cleaner removes deep down dirt and stains. It is designed to give you professional style results in your own home. It is easy to use and very effective. The cleaner includes a deep stain tool, a 3 tough stain tool, and 2 8 ounces trial size formulas. It has everything you need to get started right away. It is a complete cleaning solution. With every purchase, you are supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation. They are dedicated to helping save homeless pets. Your purchase makes a difference. What we like. This is Bissell's most powerful spot and stain cleaner, delivering professional style results. It combines superior suction and scrubbing action. If you are looking for a deep cleaner that can handle stubborn pet stains, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It is effective on cleaning stains and removing odors as well as just freshening things up. It is lightweight and easy to set up and operate. After cleaning all my upholstery, which I am honestly grossed out by how much yuck came out, I can tell you this Bissell Pet Pro is the real deal. Number 3. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro 2458. Introducing the Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro 2458. This professional pet spot cleaner is designed to tackle those stubborn messes. It's perfect for carpets, stairs, and upholstery. The 5-foot flex hose allows you to reach those tricky spots. Whether it's stairs, upholstery, or area rugs, this cleaner has you covered. It makes cleaning easier. The Pet Pro 2458 comes with a special pet stain trapper tool. This tool helps to remove pet stains effectively. It is a great tool for pet owners. With a long-reach 22-foot power cord, you can move freely. It has a 5.7 amp power rating. It is designed for convenience. This product comes with a 2-year limited warranty. It weighs 13.2 pounds. It is a reliable cleaning solution. What we like. This cleaner includes a pet stain trapper tool, perfect for containing messes. The long-reach power cord provides flexibility. If you like a cleaner specifically designed for pet messes with added convenience, then it's a great option. What people say. It is effective on cleaning stains and removing odors as well as just freshening things up. It is lightweight and easy to set up and operate. After cleaning all my upholstery, which I am honestly grossed out by how much yuck came out, I can tell you this Bissell Pet Pro is the real deal. Number 2. Sunny and Honey Carpet Cleaner, Deep Stain Remover. Introducing Sunny and Honey Carpet Miracle, your ultimate solution for a spotless home. This powerful cleaner tackles tough stains and pet messes. It's designed to make your carpets feel brand new and smell fresh. Say goodbye to stubborn stains with this concentrated stain remover. A little goes a long way, effectively removing old stains without harsh odors. It's perfect for keeping your floors looking their best. Enjoy a delightful light lavender scent with this carpet deodorizer. It not only eliminates bad smells but also leaves your home refreshed. Even with pets around, you can maintain a pleasant atmosphere. Designed with families and pets in mind, this cleaner uses clean ingredients. It's biodegradable and cruelty-free, ensuring your space is both safe and fresh. You can trust it to keep your home clean. Bring life back to your carpets and upholstery with this amazing product. It leaves no residue behind and works wonders on various stains. It's the perfect solution for pet owners who love a clean space. What we like. This solution fights tough stains and leaves a delightful lavender scent. It's designed with families and pets in mind, using clean ingredients. If you are looking for a safe and effective cleaner with a pleasant fragrance, you'll love this one. What people say. The formula is strong yet gentle on the carpet fibers. It's effective at lifting dirt and grime without leaving behind any residue. I watched it lift dirt, making it easy to use per instructions on the bottle and the cleaning unit you use. The smell was extremely fresh and I appreciated it. It is highly effective for cleaning my carpet, especially with 3 dogs at home, and I love the scent it leaves. It is also pet friendly. I use it in a spray for cleaning up spillages as well. Number 1. Chemical Guys Citrus Fabric Clean and Drill Brush Kit. Is your car's interior looking a little worse for wear? This kit is designed to tackle even the toughest stains on your carpets, upholstery, and floor mats. It's a simple solution for a fresh, clean car. The high-foaming formula lifts dirt and grime, making it easy to remove. The citrus scent leaves your car smelling fresh and clean. It's like a spa day for your vehicle's interior. This product deep cleans and deodorizes, removing odors at their source. It penetrates deep into the fabric fibers, leaving your car looking and smelling its best. You'll be amazed at the results. With the included drill brush, application is a breeze. Simply spray, scrub, and watch the stains disappear. It's a quick and effective way to refresh your car's interior. Enjoy the refreshing citrus scent that leaves your car smelling clean and inviting. This product not only cleans but also eliminates unwanted odors. It's a great way to keep your car smelling fresh. What we like. This cleaner offers high foaming action, effectively removing stains and odors. It deep cleans and leaves a refreshing citrus scent. If you like a cleaner that provides a thorough clean with a pleasant fragrance, then this is a great choice. What people say. Shampoo lifted all the big stains and the brush attachment worked as intended. Highly recommend. Product gets 5 stars. Not only did it get the odor out for the most part but exceeded my expectations on cleaning. I had what appeared to be spray paint on a piece of cargo area carpet that I wasn't expecting to come clean, but this did a great job removing it and made the cargo area and back seat carpet look great. Made my car smell like a brand new car and didn't have an overpowering odor. It's great, thumbs up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.